death of Kichika, they went to Matsya and entered the king's service as planned. Queen Sudeshna's brother Kichika was the commander-in-chief and had immense influence in the kingdom. He was attracted by the beautiful Serandri. She said her husbands were powerful Gandharvas who would kill anyone who troubled her. But Kichika continued to harass her. He persuaded his sister to help him trap Draupadi. Sudeshna sent Draupadi with a jug of wine to Kichika's room. He attacked her. She fled to the court, but Kichika followed her, abusing and kicking her. No one dared oppose him. Draupadi told Bhima that night of the incident. He told Draupadi to act as if she had been consenting to his advances. When Kichika came into her room, Bhima would kill him. As planned, when Kichika approached the couch, he found Bhima. They wrestled till Bhima killed him. Draupadi said her Gandharva husband had killed Kichika as she had warned. Duryodhana's spies. The Serandri was feared by everyone in Matsya. After it was learnt that her Gandharva husband killed Kichika, she requested Sudeshna to let her stay a month more, which would complete the 13th year. Sudeshna was too scared to refuse. Duryodhana sent spies to find out where the Pandavas were hiding. So far, they had been unsuccessful. Then, hearing the news of Kichika being killed by a Gandharva, he thought it might be Bhima. If Matsya was attacked, the Pandavas would repay the king's kindness by fighting on his side. Thus, their disguise would be known, and they would have to go into exile again. King Susarma of Trigartha, Duryodhana's friend, was an enemy of Virata. He agreed to attack Matsya. When Susarma attacked Matsya, Yudhishthira told the king that he, the cook, the horse trainer, and the cattle keeper were great warriors. Virata was very happy to have their help. Defending Matsya. Susarma attacked Matsya. All the Pandavas except Arjuna went with the army. During the battle, Susarma captured Virata, but Bhima set him free and made Susarma captive. They returned to the palace jubilant. Meanwhile, Duryodhana with the Kaurava army attacked from another side. Young Prince Uttar decided to defend the kingdom. He needed a charioteer. Draupadi, overhearing him, ran and told Princess Uttara that Brihanala was an excellent charioteer, having served with Arjuna. So, Uttara took Brihanala into the battle. Seeing warriors like Bhishma, Drona, Kripacharya, Duryodhana, Karna, and the Kauravas, Uttar was frightened and got down and ran back. Brihanala grabbed him and brought him back into the chariot. Arjuna asked Uttar to bring down the armor hidden in a tree. He put it on, strung the Gandiva, his bow, and blew his conch Devadatta. Hearing the sounds of the bow and the conch, the Kauravas knew Arjuna and the Pandavas were back. A strange battle. The elders advised caution. Even Ashwathama told him not to insult their elders. Bhishma also said that 13 years had been completed the day before by the Pandavas. They had the right to their kingdom. But Duryodhana and Karna were deaf to all advice. It was decided that Duryodhana would go back while the others would at least take the cattle of the kingdom. Taking away cattle or the clothes of the warriors was considered a sign of victory in the battle. As they rounded up the cattle, Arjuna attacked. He held off the main army first and then went after Duryodhana. He used a weapon that made everyone unconscious and then took away all their clothes and got back the cattle. Returning to Matsya, he hid the armor and, becoming Brihanala again, told Prince Uttar to say that he won the battle.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, Subscribe to Sahil Book House.